Hello everybody. I hope all of you are in good health and spirit during this difficult time. You would probably remember that Kolkata Study Circle had organized an opinion poll on the future topics of lecture series, and we found that maximum people had opted for a lecture series on classical theories in anthropology. In view of the public demand, we are now organizing a lecture series on classical theories in anthropology, which primarily examines the major currents in the classical anthropological theory with particular attention to their main concepts and their applications. However, this lecture series also critically examines the kind of analysis and interpretation anthropologists have usually engaged during all those decades while studying other cultures in other parts of the world. So, while analyzing myths and rituals from other cultures, we also analyze the texts anthropologists themselves write to see what we can learn from them about the different perspectives anthropologists and the members of Western cultures more generally have adopted in their study of what have been variously referred to as savages, primitives, tribal, kin-based, non-literate, and third world societies. Thus, in addition to the knowledge on what the work of Margaret Mead and Evans Pritchard, for example, can tell us about the Samoans or the Nuers, we ask what it can tell us about American or British anthropology. The important approaches and topics on the classical theories and anthropology we consider for this lecture series are 19th century evolutionism, American cultural anthropology, including historical particularism and culture personality skills, diffusionism, British social anthropology, including functionalism and structure functionalism, cultural ecology and cultural materialism, neo evolutionism, structuralism, cognitive anthropology, symbolic and interpretive anthropology. We hope you will enjoy the series, so please register early to avoid disappointment, as this time we are restricting the number of participants to 100 only. Stay safe and stay healthy.